Welcome back to MDL Crochet. Today's stitch is the Tunisian half double stitch. It can be worked up in any multiple chain that you want to work it up in. Of course, we're going to do in a chain of 20. As always, I am using a 6.5 millimeter cable Tunisian hook and worsted weight yarn. So go ahead and make your slip stitch, and we'll chain 20. And you can chain any number that you want, but I'm chaining 20. $19 and $20. And there's our chain of 20. And remember, if you can give me a like and subscribe, it'd be greatly appreciated. And it'll help me out with this channel. Now, we're going to work it normally how we would work it in the back. So we'll find that second chain, flip it over, and that's where we're going to work in the back. However, this is where things get different. So keep that in mind where you got to go. Now you're going to yarn over, and you're going to go through that hook, that hole or hump, and pull through. You should have, after you do the first one, you should have 3. And we're going to yarn over, and you're going to yarn over for every single one of these. So you're going to end up with double minus 1. So if we're doing 20, we should end up with what's double is 40 minus 1 is 39. So we should end up with 39 on here. That sounds like a lot. We're almost to the last. We're actually at the last one. So yarn over, poke through that last one. Now, we should have a total of 39 on here. So we're going to do a quick count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, and 39. And the return pass is different. So we'll do the standard chain 1. Now we just created our base row. Now this is where we'll get a little different. Now you're going to pull through 3 loops instead of 2. So 1, 2, and 3. And you're going to do that again. 1, 2, and 3. So keep on doing that all the way to the end. Remember, it's 3. And you're pulling through your last 3. And that's what that looks like. You see all the upside down V's. That's what we're working on. We're going to be working with the upside down V's. Now you're not going to mess with this one at all. This one right here, you are not touching. So you're going to yarn over, go through these 2, just going through the front, yarn over and pull through. Yarn over, pull through those, and pull through. Yarn over, go back through, and yarn over, pull it up. And again, we should end up with 39. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 1. Yarn over, pull through these, go through these 2, and then pull through. Yarn over, And do that again, all the way down to the end. And you're going to go through a little bit more yarn, of course, with this stitch. Not a little bit. You're going to go through a lot more yarn with this stitch. All right, yarn over. Go through the V's. Yarn over, pull through. Yarn over. Go through the V, upside down V's. Same thing again. Yarn over. You're going through both of those. And of course, it's adding a lot more onto your needle, and it's going to feel awkward, like I said. And if you're ever any question if you're doing it right, go ahead and complete the row and then do a count. You know, you should be, like I said, double what you have, but minus 1. So if you did 10 rows, you should have a total of 19. If you did 20 or chain of 10, you should have 19. Since I did a chain of 20, I should have 39. That's a lot on that needle. That's the most I've ever had on there doing these tutorials. All right, we're just about to the end here. And the end is done a little different this time around too. Okay, yarn over, and we're gonna find our bottom, the last two that down at the bottom. Yarn over, pull through 1. All right, let's do another quick count. And like I said, we should be at 39. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, and 39. Now, this is where we do the chain 1. Okay. You can bunch up your work a little bit, especially when you're doing this return pass, because whoo-wee. All right, so we chain 1, and then we pull through 3. 1, 2, and 3. Chain 1, or not chain 1, sorry. Yarn over and pull through 3. Yarn over, pull through 3. Okay, and that's what it's starting to look like. And we're going to do the V's again. Now we're going to do one more row together. And remember, you do not do the V that's connected to your loop around the single loop around your needle. You do the one right after. So let's go through these two and then pull up. Yarn over, go through the V, pull up. Yarn over, you're going through the V, just like that. Yarn over, go through the V, yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, go through the V, yarn over, just see, yarn over, go through the V, yarn over, and pull through. Yarn over, and the V's are when you start stretching them like that, you can see the V, but it looks awkward. So, but what you're trying to do is you're getting these two. You want the upside down V. So yarn over, upside down V's. And until you get the hang of the stitch, I would count after every row, unless you're doing a huge project. Well, you can count every row. In general, until you can get the hang of it, I wouldn't suggest a big project until you get the hang of the stitch. but when you get done with every row, I would count to make sure you're still where you need to be. Remember to double minus 1. Double whatever your chain is, but minus 1. Okay. And that's the last here. Remember here, we still yarn over. And this is the normal, how we always find our bottom loops. Just drop down, fold in on yourself. You'll find that automatic right at it. And you pull up. All right, so let's check our chain, our loops. 1, 2, sorry, that's getting my finger apart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, and 39. So we still have 39, which means we're doing it right. So go ahead and bunch up your work if you want to. And as I said, I do, because it makes it easier. So chain 1, and now you pull through 3. You're gonna do pulling through 3 all the way down. All right, pull through 3. That's what's going on. Now, if you want to continue, you can continue. I'm going to do the remaining rows that I normally would do. I'm gonna do those off camera, and then I'll come back and we'll talk about the stitch and the finished product. I'll actually show you how to close off, because it's actually a different close off than normal too. So I'll see y'all here in a few minutes. All right, we're gonna finish up the last stitch here, last pull through. There we go. Now to close off this project, it is different than what we've done before. So, sort of. You're gonna go ahead, you're not yarning over. You're gonna go through the V and yarn over and pull through. You're pulling through all 3. And you're gonna do this all the way down to the end, okay? So pull through all 3. Pick up your 2, yarn over, and let's get all the way through 3. All right, we're there. And now we're gonna do our normal last one, which is just bend it down, fold over. Oh, come on. Yarn over, pull through, and pull through. Chain 1. And then snip off a good piece of yarn here. And pull through and tighten that up. And that's the half double stitch. It'll make a great dish towel. If you do it in cotton, you could use it as a dish towel, or if you did it in scrubby, it'd make a good scrubby too. But that's it. And it has some give. It really doesn't have much give, really, compared to some of the other stitches. It has about as much give as a Tunisian simple stitch, in my opinion, but it is a lot stiffer of a product. It would be a lot warmer if you did it like in a cardigan or a sweater, or even a beanie or scarf. It would be nice and warm. But as always, remember, you can give me a like and subscribe. It'd be awesome. Leave a comment if you want to. But until then, keep stitching.